Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this out. This is the battery cover, and we're gonna remove this right here. This is a 10mm. So that disconnects your 12-volt battery. Now we're gonna remove this piece right here. And then this piece right here is gonna come out of the way. Next, we're gonna have to remove the front seats. Okay, so the seat, you're just gonna grab right here, pop it up, and do that on both sides. That'll enable you to just remove this part of the seat. For this right here, one right there, one back there, and one over there. So let's remove those. These are 12mm. Okay, once we get those all out, we're gonna have to pull up on this. So we're gonna pull up on it, and it's gonna go like this, and then we can remove it. Okay, so I already did that. Just go like this. That way I don't have to remove the whole thing. Pop that off. And now we have access to the back of the battery. Since we already have the 12mm, let's just remove these. Okay, now let's remove these two screws. So this lets us remove this. And now the battery is a lot safer to work on. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this so we can disconnect this. Back over here, let's remove this piece. So these, you're gonna pop this in like this and pop it out just like that. And now it is disconnected. The cables are disconnected, and I would use a clip removal tool to remove that one. Now we're gonna have to remove this piece over here so we can pull this out. So I'm gonna disconnect this right here, like that. And I'm gonna remove this as well. And then disconnect these down here. So I believe that's all. This should come out now. Let's go and check. Okay, so that did remove it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I'd recommend using some electrical gloves. I forgot mine, but I'm not going to do anything with this battery, so. But I will link some in the description. But yeah, that's how you remove it. Thanks for watching.